Who doesn't want a little magic in their life? Think of our new progress tracking features as your magical assistant. Up until now, monitoring your students' progress has been your sole responsibility. But with these new features, that's about to change. Now, select interactive activities and digital video companion worksheets will automatically record student scores directly to their profile. This enables you to access these scores conveniently for progress reports or meetings. I'm Jess, a member of the clinical team, and I'm going to walk you through this exciting new feature. First, let's find an activity. Assign the activity to a specific student. I'm going to select Dev and complete the activity. Okay, Dev completed his interactive activity and did great. Different interactive activities will store different data. For matching, multiple choice, fill in the blank, and open-ended, you'll be able to see your students' responses. For dice roller and spinner activities, you'll be able to take notes on your observations. Let's go to the student profile to see where this data is stored. To see the student's profile, I'm going to go to My Toolkit, Students and Groups, and I'll find Dev. Once I'm in the student's profile, you can see that not only has the student's viewing history been updated, but I can actually see the student's score and answers. This is a great way to monitor student progress and highlight skill areas where your students may need additional instruction. Now, let's talk about the video player. Previously, each of our videos had a downloadable video companion worksheet to assess comprehension. While helpful, it required you to manually record answers, adding to your paperwork. Nobody needs more random papers on their desk, right? Now, with the interactive video player, your students can enjoy the same engaging video lessons, but now the video companion questions are embedded directly into the video player at the end of each lesson. Let's check it out. I'll assign the video to Dev, since that's the student I'm working with. I'll watch the entirety of the video, and then I'll be prompted to do a review. This allows you to easily assess student understanding and automatically record responses to their profiles. Less work and more meaningful student data. With Everyday Speech, collecting student data has never been easier or more magical. Enter each session with a peace of mind knowing that we've got the data collection covered. Happy teaching!